Welcome to the Electronic Development Application Management System, popularly known as EDAMS for Kiambu County. Here, you can submit your development plans or proposals online for vetting and approval by Kiambu County. Thank you and enjoy the system. You are required to have an existing account in order to access the system. Please note, registered physical planners, architects, civil and structural engineers are the only entities allowed to register and submit development proposals on EDAMS. To create your account, click on the register link at the top right of the home page. You will be presented with a registration form which you should fill out. Select your occupation, either engineer, planner, or architect. Enter your details, such as your full names, your preferred username, your email address, and a password. Please note, when choosing a password, ensure it is strong by using letters, numbers, and symbols. Also, enter your mobile phone in any of the format indicated. Click on the Save and Continue button. Enter additional details. If you're registering as a firm, select Firm. Otherwise, select Individual. Provide a valid registration number and email. A confirmation mail will be sent to the email address that you provided in the membership database. Choose your preferred mode of communication, either email or SMS, or both email and SMS. Save and submit to complete your registration. You have successfully registered into the system. Check your email and verify your registration. Logging in and logging out. To log into the system, click on the Login button at the top right of the home page. Enter your username and your password, then click Sign In. To log out of the system, click on the downward arrow beside your profile picture at the top right and select Log Out. Edit your account details. To edit your account details, click on your profile picture at the top right and then select My Profile Details to update your basic details. Or select Edit Profile Picture to change your profile picture. Or select Change Password to change or reset your password. Dashboard. As a registered user, you will have your own profile along with a dashboard. Once you log in, you will be presented with a dashboard. The dashboard presents you with an overview of services offered, the relevant submission forms, and notifications of any corrections. It also summarizes your activities in the system. There are 6 major menu items: the dashboard itself, My Drafts menu, which shows applications that you have made but are not completed. These are the saved applications. The Corrections menu. The Corrections menu lists returned applications that you need to make corrections. The Submit Application menu. This allows you to submit your plans or building proposals. The Applications History menu. This menu shows a list of applications you have submitted. Shared Applications menu. This shows shared applications. Submitting an application. Applications are the building plans or proposals you submit to the Building Inspectorate in order to acquire permits. When submitting an application, ensure you have collected all the documents required. While on your dashboard, click on the Submit application. Select your sub-county and then click Continue. Then, select the category of applications to submit. Note: the category of applications to select depends on the type of user you registered as. That is, Planner will see planning applications and regularization applications categories. Architect will see architectural applications and regularization applications categories. For engineers, they will be able to make submissions once the applications submitted by either the planner or architect are shared with them. For our case, we shall choose architectural applications. Select Application for Architectural Plans CPD 001 and click on Apply Now. A form will appear. This form has 5 stages. Please note, no stage can be bypassed, so make sure that you fill all the required fields. Fields marked in red asterisks are mandatory. You cannot submit a form when these fields are blank. For Stage 1, General Information. For this section, fill in general information to include the project title, plot or parcel number, the owner or developer details, project description, the class of building, land tenure, and other general details. Once you have finished, click on the Continue button to proceed or save progress and resume later. Stage 2, Plot Information. For this section, enter the plot information such as the type of soil, the name of the estate, the water supply, sewerage disposal, etc. Click on the Continue button once you finish. Please note, you can go back to the previous section by clicking Previous, or save the progress and resume later. Stage 3, Plinth Areas Information. For this section, select the zone and the permitted use for that zone you are applying, and then select whether it is sewered or unsewered. Provide the plinth areas in square meters for the existing buildings and the new buildings for each and every level of the buildings. After filling in all the necessary plinth areas, click on Update Total for existing plinth area and Update Total for the new plinth area. Then, click on the Update Grand Total, where a sum of the total existing plinth area and total new plinth area will be done. Also, click on Update Grand Total to update total for the footprint. Enter the plot size in square meters, or you can enter the plot size in hectares and select hectares as unit of measure. The system will convert the hectares to square meters. After filling in the plot size, the system will automatically calculate the actual ground coverage and the actual plot ratio as percentages, and if it exceeds what is permitted for the zone selected, you will get a message, and below each, you can give the reasons for exceeding to guide the planners at the county in evaluation. Click on the field for estimated cost of the project, and the system automatically calculates the value depending on the total plinth area provided. Provide information on the construction materials. Click on the Continue button once you finish. Stage 4. Attachments. For this stage, attach all documents required for your application. These include attachments such as ownership documents, survey plans, land rate receipts, site plan, building plans, waste disposal plans, and other relevant attachments you may have. Click on the Submit button when you are done, or select Previous to go to the previous stages. Stage 5. Review your entry. At this stage, you will be presented with a summary of the application you have made. Please review your entries before final submission. Make any corrections by going back to the previous sections using the Previous button. Once you ensure everything is correct, click Submit button. A message confirming successful submission will be displayed. Invoices and payments. Print an invoice. On your dashboard, navigate to the application that you want to print an invoice. Click on Action and then select Print Invoice from the drop-down menu. You will be presented with the invoice for that application. Click on the Print Invoice button at the bottom. Payment will be done via County Pro, where you present the invoice to the county finance and pay against the invoice number of the invoice printed. From here, once the payment is verified on County Pro, the application will be moved to a stage of comprehensive evaluation. Note: an application cannot be evaluated by various county directorates nor approved when payment hasn't been made. Also, an invoice has an expiration period of 90 days. Failure of payment will make the application to expire and you will have to reapply for it to be considered. Sharing applications. You can share applications with civil or structural engineers. To share an application, access the application through your dashboard or the Application History menu. Click on the Action button and select Share. Enter the email address of the user and then select Submit button. Click on the Share icon. Downloading a permit. Once an application is approved, you can access and download the permit. Click on the Actions button of the application and select the download link.